Now, having fixed that, then you have to draw this one closer. Click on it, drag it closer. And then you check our the one we are looking up to. Okay, the next thing there we have is the arrange elements. Click on it and drag it up. Have to place it behind this edit element. Then we delete this one. We also delete this. We don't need this, we delete it. Layout and draw it. Have to delete it as well. And these edit GDL library parts, take it off. Classic 3D navigation. Classic 3D navigation. We check if we have it on the screen we are looking up to. Yes. What we need there is the attributes. Now we click on this attribute and drag it up. Have to take it off the screen. Then we have to take simple 3D off. Take this one off. Then go to this toolbox and click on it and widen it a bit. Having done that, we click on design, click also on documents. So we have our screen widened. So with this we have our drawing board screen properly set. Then looking at our modeling board, the next thing we also have there is setting of story levels. As you can see, we have story levels that are set here already. Look at our story level. You can see in our story level what we have here. We have the ground level, we have DPC level, we have the window sill level, we have lintel level, lintel top, ceiling level, roof level. So we are going to set our drawing board screen like we have here. So you can see we have our ground level to be at negative. It has negative value -600. From this ground level we get up to DPC level, that is the 0 level. DPC level is usually regarded as the 0 level because it is the level that you are sure of the next height you can achieve. One of the reasons why we regard DPC level as 0 level is from the DPC level you start taking your heights. The heights that you can achieve from DPC level are well known. Like at DPC level you might say you want to have like 9 cuts of block before you attain your lintel level. You know, height at DPC level can be determined, but the height of DPC from the ground level cannot be determined except you get to site. And one of the reasons is because of the bearing capacity of the site. That is why DPC level is together at the 0 level. As from DPC level down to ground level, the heights are not determined by calculations except what the site gives you. The bearing capacity of the site will have to determine that. But the height that you are sure of that you can determine are like your headroom height from the DPC level to ceiling level, or DPC level to your lintel level. These heights can be determined as they have fixed value you can assign to them. But as for the DPC level, you can't assign fixed value to them. So as you can see here, we have our from ground level to DPC level -600, and from your DPC level to window sill level we have 500. From window sill level to lintel level you have 2250, and from the lintel level to lintel top, you have 250. That is concrete lintel.